How do you want to open this file in Windows? Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to demonstrate on how to resolve this issue in your Windows 10 operating system. First of all, right-click on this window icon and click on Run. After the Run window is opened, type regedit and hit Enter. After that, click on OK and select File. Then export and choose the Documents folder. Type in Backup and click on Save to back up the registry editor files. Next, expand the HKey class's root and locate the exe file. Right-click on the default, modify, and ensure that the value data file name is exe file. Scroll down to find the exe file, right-click on default, modify, and make sure that the value data is $1 $. Then expand the exe file, expand shell folder, and select open folder. Right-click on the default, modify, and set the value data as $1. Close the window and go to the search bar and type in Windows PowerShell, Windows Defender Firewall, and open it and click on Turn off for both public and private network settings. Simply restart the system and your problem will be resolved. This is how you can fix how do you want to open this file on Windows 10. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing content. Thank you. See you in the next video.